Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to access the premium features on a TradingView. Okay, so as you can see, TradingView is usually free until you're actually ready to sign up for the premium plans. Okay, that's what you'll need to do. You'll need to actually subscribe to one of these premium plans. The good thing is they do give you a trial for 30 days for free for each one of these different plans. Any of these premium plans, you can experience the features they have right here, as you can see, before you commit to subscription. And there are also other brokers that offer free access to TradingView Premium features as part of their trading platforms. That's another way you can go ahead and access that, okay? So just come here to the official website, go ahead and sign up through these. Okay, click on try free for 30 days. You just need to enter email. Don't need to even enter any credit cards, right? Some people create different emails every single time and utilize that feature. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you find this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.